repairing the front headlight washer cap on a Jaguar X-Type 2001 to 2009. On the front of the Jaguar you might have noticed these colour coordinated little caps between the headlights. These are the pop out jet washers that you rarely see but can become loose and broken inside. As you can see here, one of the little plastic projections has broken off. These projections clip into the cover by these tabs with holes in, so it can pivot and seat nicely onto the bumper, but to me the whole thing seems inherently weak. So this is how I took the clip off. To renew it, I got hold of an old bicycle spoke which had an end on it like this, bent it at the handle end, enabling me to hook the centre of the clip and pull the shaft out because it's on a big spring. The other thing I needed was an old rag and a pair of mole grips. So with the bike spoke I could pull out the shaft like so, hold it in position and push the rag in the hole around the shaft, which will protect the bodywork for me then to put the mole grips on and grip the shaft, making it much easier to take the bracket clip off at the end. To take the clip off you just bend up the little tabs slightly, but be careful because they're very thin. Here's the clip. Now you can choose to renew these plastic clips, or what you can do is you can get an upgraded version of these which are made out of metal, so in future they won't break, which is what I got. I got two of these. Here they are. I think somebody's made little aluminium castings of these. I'll leave a link in the description of where I purchased them. When I looked at the right hand cover I noticed it was loose, and on closer inspection I noticed it was actually cracked near the base, so I'm going to have to do something with that. Maybe reinforce it with some metal mesh, which I've done before on some other projects, but this one's quite delicate being so small. Nevertheless, I managed to cut a piece out and form it into the tab. I managed to bend it over the tab a bit, so now I use the melting technique to melt the metal into the plastic tab. So what I do is use a soldering iron with a sort of flat blade on it and melt the mesh into the tab. It's so delicate I'm using these pair of scissors to support it. And here's the final result. Not ideal because there isn't much plastic to work with. I've just got to drill a hole again now where the original hole was. There we are, that's that done. It's the same size as the other one. I hope it's strong enough now, but it still needs to remain a little bit flexible to get the clip on. Anyway, I did after some time manage to get the new clip on, but it loosened the tab a little bit again. So now I'm trying to melt it back again. Hopefully it'll be enough for it to work. I think in future I'd cut a bit of length off the little spigots to make it easier to attach. There we go, that's better. Just got to fit it now. Same problem here really, the little spigots are just a bit long for comfort, as you have to bend the tabs on the shaft bracket back a little bit, and they seem quite delicate as well, but I've managed to do it. There we are, that seems alright. Just got to take the mole grips off and tea towel, hold the shaft, remove the mole grips and the towel and let go. See what that looks like. Oh yes, that's alright. Just got the other side to do now. There we go. That's a lot better. Job's a good one. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel for more X-Type content. And as always, thank you for watching.